Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about something incredibly important: how to support and maintain healthy kidneys with ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. If you or someone you know is concerned about kidney health, this video is for you. So, let's jump right into it. But before we dive into the ingredients, let's quickly look at why it's crucial to take care of our kidneys. Kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste and excess fluids from our blood, maintaining our body's overall balance. Keeping them healthy is essential. Now, let's explore 10 kitchen staples that can help promote kidney health. Number 1. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are rich in vitamins C and A. They're low in potassium, making them a kidney-friendly alternative to other vegetables. Number 2. Garlic. Garlic not only adds flavor to your dishes, but also contains antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and support kidney health. Number 3. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is low in potassium and a great source of fiber. It's a versatile ingredient for those looking to maintain healthy kidneys. Number 4. Cranberries. These tiny, tart fruits are packed with antioxidants and have been shown to help prevent kidney stones and reduce inflammation in the kidneys. Add them to your salads, smoothies, or enjoy them as a snack on their own. Number 5. Ginger. This spicy root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to help reduce inflammation and improve digestion. It's also been shown to help protect the kidneys from damage caused by toxins and infections. Add it to your stir-fries, smoothies, or make a soothing tea with ginger and lemon. Number 6. Beets. These sweet, earthy vegetables are rich in antioxidants and fiber, which can help reduce inflammation and improve digestion. They're also a great source of potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure and support kidney function. Number 7. Cucumbers. These refreshing vegetables are low in calories and high in water content, making them a great snack for weight management and hydration. They're also a great source of potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure and support kidney function. Number 8. Carrots. These sweet, crunchy vegetables are rich in vitamin A and fiber, which can help support immune function and digestion. They're also a great source of potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure and support kidney function. Number 9. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and support kidney health. Pressure and support kidney function. Number 10. Egg whites. Egg whites are a low-phosphorus, high-quality protein source that can be beneficial for kidney health. Thank you for joining me today as we explored 10 kitchen staples that can support healthy kidneys. Remember, a balanced diet with these ingredients can go a long way in promoting kidney health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. Until next time, take care of your kidneys, and stay healthy.